Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here, standing here with my BYD Atto 3, and you can see that the 12-volt battery has finally died. Now the first signal is that when you use your key to unlock the door, it does nothing. Okay, you press this, usually the mirrors will start unfolding and the doors will unlock. It does not do that anymore. So the only way to unlock is, okay, so this is your key, and on the side it says push, and you're gonna have to press push, and then you can pull out this metal thing and use that to unlock. So insert it like this, turn to the left, unlocks the door. Okay, once you're in, everything will be pitch black. You can try to press the start button, nothing will show up because the 12-volt battery has died. Also notice that all the doors are still locked. You've only unlocked the driver's side, so if you want to unlock the passenger side, pull the handle back from the inside to unlock. Okay, now we have to open the bonnet. So from bottom right hand side of the steering wheel, pull this twice to open the bonnet. Okay, let's open this up. Pull this up. Make sure it stands up. Make sure it stands up. Now, the good thing is there's plenty of room for you to work on your 12-volt battery. Unlike traditional cars, there's no big engine, so you got a lot more room.